Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James today, how are you? This video we would like to share, we actually rescue one of the food truck coming in with the Victron system before. What happened is that when the customer comes in, the system in the food truck already been deactivated by itself. It showed the symptom that the Multiplus 3120, two of them, master and slave, they connect in the past working, but then by some reason it stopped working themselves, and it showed the low battery arrow on the LED lights here on the master one, and it doesn't turn on at all many times, or sometimes it turn on and then turn off, or sometimes it turn on and flashing. So actually it show a symptom of, like, dead end of the life. We got the trucks in with the intention to check everything first, and just a very little hope that we can recover it, but we don't give up any hope. So technically we test everything to confirm that the smart solar charger is working well, and we test the battery. They seems respond very well to the test, so the battery, put it on the side alone, good. We test all the fuse, main fuse to the Multiplus, and everything seems fine. And so we try to put our system with the multiple different things to test, and we bring in the Servo GX, and we connect the system. We try to hook up the thing, and in the first few hours we actually didn't get success because the system didn't respond at all to our Servo GX or to our computer. So we had to pull out the cover. We check and we do all the necessary work and test them individually and try to perform all the neat activities, including reset and firmware the thing. So at the end it actually reactivate and smoothly working together. As you can see, it turns on and respond to all the commands from our computer, from our Servo GX touch screen, and it show all the details of in and out. It accept the function of the normal working, like chucks and inverter, and you can see the system of 240 volts working well. All the switch working normal, lights working normal, and the flashing lights smoothly working. And there's come back to the normal working condition and charge well from the outside of the van as well. So that is something we would say, okay, we already finished the process to rescue the two men of the system here, come back to life, and now we will have discussion to the owner and see if they want to do some renovation or not, because actually the system was installed in a very different way that we should do currently. For example, you can see that the section here, there's no safety switch for the battery, there's no isolation switch, there's no bus bar for the negative. Everything going into one section, very very cramped and very heavy traffic in the wiring over here for the negative section, which is dangerous, very dangerous on this section. But it was working for the owner, so let's leave it like that way. And so far there's a lot of things that we need to revise in this installation to make it safer and convenient, and also easier for maintenance in the future. But yeah, it's up to the choice of the owner. At least we already finished our recovery session and the system is fully working well. We already left the system running from yesterday afternoon, and it is working beautifully overnight, getting the first running, battery is running, and yeah, all good. Thank you, and we'll see you.